Hello students, good morning to all. Now today we are starting with the different type of linear programming problem. Now students, till now we have seen so many linear programming problem, so many LPPs which are given in the direct form. Direct form means optimization problem is given and with this its constraint also given, and then we are finding the solution. Now, normally board will ask us a question in which they will give us a problem in the word form. That is, a word problems are given, and this word problem are usually of these four type. First, manufacturing. Second, diet problem. Third, transportation problem, and fourth is allocation problem. So mainly the LPPs are of these four type. You have to identify and form in the optimization function and its constraint, as we have seen one in an example. So let us start with the first one. What is the manufacturing problem? Now in these problems we determine the number of units of different product which should be produced and sold by firm when each product requires a fixed manpower, machine hours, labor hours per unit of the product, warehouse space per unit of this output, etc., in this order to make the maximum profit. That means this manufacturing problem is related with the companies. How many items we have to produce, okay, and these item for producing these items, how many manpower or how many man hours or a machine hours are used, okay, how many maximum capacity we have, that all things are used to find the on order to make the maximum profit. Normally whenever we have seen the manufacturing, so in that case maximum profit will be there. So let us start with the questions which are based on the manufacturing problem. Here I am not going direct by throughout the exercise, but I am taking the questions which are based on the manufacturing problem. Maybe some questions are from the exercise and some are from the miscellaneous, but we are taking all the questions now. All are there which are related to the manufacturing problem. So let us start with the first question. Now this question is from exercise 12.2, question number 3. So let us start with first. What is the question given us? A factory makes tennis rackets and cricket bats. A tennis racket take 1.5 hours of machine time and 3 hours of craftsman's time in its making. That means if we consider a company makes two things, tennis racket and cricket bats. Tennis racket require 1.5 hours of the machine time and 3 hours of the craftsman's time. Okay, and second, making, while a cricket bat takes 3 hours of the machine time and 1 hour of the craftsman's time. That means 3 hours for machine and 1 hour for the craftsman. In a day, factory has availability of not more than 42 hours. Now student, always remember this word, not more than. Now it will give us which symbol, less than equals to or greater than equals to. That will be the main aspect here. So not more than 42 hours of the machine time and 24 hours of the craftsman's time. So here you have given the timing for the machine as well as the timing for the craftsman. Okay, and each tennis racket and cricket bat, how many time it require for machine and craftsman also given. So let us see the further this question. Time. What was the number of rackets and bats must be made if the factory is to work at full capacity? That means full capacity means here given that a machine time is 42 hours. That means that machine is work for the 42 hours and craftsman's work for 24 hours. Then how many cricket bats and tennis racket we should make? Okay, that is the first question. Second question, if the profit on the racket and the bet and on a bet is rupees 20 and rupees 10 respectively, find the maximum profit of the factory when it works at full capacity. So now student, this is the question we have, in which they have formed everything to us: how much profit, how much machine time and craftsman's time is given. Now we have to form an LPP from this. Now all the things you have seen, this I am making in a tabular form. So let us see first the table I have made. Look students, we have two items we have, X and Y. X is tennis racket and Y is cricket bat. Tennis racket and cricket bat, both are things required, that is machine time and craftsman's time. That how much time it will take in machine. So tennis 1.5 and craftsman's 3. Okay, cricket bat 3 for the machine time and 1 for the craftsman times. Okay, and now availability not more than, not more than, that means less than or equals to, so that is given 42 and 24. Okay, 24 hours on machine and 24 hours for the craftsman. Now profit is given is a rupees 20 and rupees 10. So let us form the equation here. 1.5x machine time is not more than 42. So 1.5x plus 3y is less than equals to 42. Form an equation from this way. 1.5x plus 3y less than equals to 42. Second equation, 3x plus y less than equals to 24. Now I hope you understood. Machine time is not less than equals to 40. So 1.5x plus 3y less than equals to 42. 3x plus y less than equals to 24. And third thing is our optimization problem. So profit is 20 rupees on tennis racket and 10 rupees on cricket bat. So therefore our optimization function is a maximize z 20x plus 10y. So now student, you understood how to make the question. If you have this many things, now I think this is very easy to find the solution, as this type of question we have seen earlier. Okay, these are the constraint and that is our optimization function. So let us solve the constraint first. Constraint are 1.5x plus 3y less than equals to 4. And so I just simplify this one as 1.5x plus 3y less than equals to 42. So I said so therefore I have multiplied this equation with 2. So we get 3x plus 6y less than equals to 84. And now 3 is common from all these 3. So x plus 2y less than equals to 28. So this is the one equation we have. Student, this I have simplified, but you may simplify or may not. No issue with that. You can find out a direct solution also. So no issue with that. I have simplified this one, or you can make the direct. Okay. Now this is x plus 2y less than equals to 28. So if x is equals to 0, then 2y is equals to 28. So y is equals to 14. Then y is equals to 0. Then x is equals to 28. So this is the solution for the first constraint. Now second constraint is 3x plus y less than equals to 24. So let us see that. Here it is. 3x plus y less than equals to 24. So x is equals 0, y is equals to 24, y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 8. So now if we have a two solution, then we can form a graph. So let me see the graph first. So this is the graph for question number 1. Let us see this. Okay, here the graph we have. So let me compare. First, x plus 2y less than equals to 28. Again student, if you will solve this directly, then also you will get the same solution. When x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 42 by 3, that is 14. If y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 42 divided by 1.5, that is 28. You will get the same solution, so no worry for that. If anyone don't want to solve the simplify this equation, then also no problem with that, you can solve it directly. So let us form the first equation. X plus 2y less than or equals to 28. So it is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 14. So let us see here, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 14. So this is the one point. Then y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 28. So this is the another one. Now we know that the scale measurement and everything, I don't want to explain this now, because you know how to make this all. We require the equal length 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it is according our requirement. Here also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. So this is the point we have 0, 14, and second is a 28, 0. So let us join these two line points. So you will get this line. You can see this. This is the line x plus 2y is equals to 28. But our inequality is x plus 2y less than equals to. Now less than equals to, that means lower region. So lower region will be there. Second equation, 3x plus y less than equals to 24. Its solution is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 24. So this is the one point. Second, y is equals to 0 and x is equals to 8. So 8, 0. So these are the 2 point, this 2 point, and now we can join it. So this is the line for the equation. This is the line for the equation x plus 3x plus y less than equals to 24, and less than, that means the lower region, that means this side. So this is our common feasible region. You can see this is our common feasible region. And now for finding solution, we require all the corner point. Now here student, you can see this is the intersection point. It can easily identify from the graph, so no need to solve it by the no need to solve it by solution of these two equation. We can do it directly, but for the verification you can do it in a rough work on in the same paper, no issue with that. So this is the intersection point 4, 12. So these three are the corner points. Let us see the solution now. So here the solution, we have solution x, y and z. We have made that 20x plus 10y, and this is the maximum profit. So maximum value we have to consider. Corner point are 0, 14, then 4, 12 and 8, 0. So this is 20 into 0 plus 10 into 14, 140. 4 into 12, 20 into 4 plus 10 into 12, that is 80 plus 120, that is 200. 8, 0, 20 into 8 plus 10 into 0, that is 160. So here you can see this will give us a maximum profit. So therefore here the maximum profit is 200 at 4, 12. That means maximum tennis racket we can make, that is 4, that is maximum number of racket is 4 and number of bat is 12, and maximum profit is rupees 200. So this is the solution for the question. I hope you understood this one. So this is the solution for the first question, manufacturing problem. So now I am stop this video now. I am uploading the another one with the another 2 question today only. Let us start with that. Okay, so till now you can see this question again and see how to solve it. I am giving you the brief description of this question again. So this is the question you have, how we have form and line. So this is the table we have to make. So 1.5x plus 3y less than equals to 42, 3x plus y less than equals to 24, and optimization z 20x plus 10y. Here profit, so maximum profit, so maximize z 20x plus 10y. Student, if you will make this much, then you will solve the question, because the method we know how to solve. So now this is the solution, just you can see this. Then we have find out the 2 solution of the each inequality. Then we have form a graph. You can see this graph, and then we have find out the solution. So here the solution is the maximum profit is 200. So this is our answer. Okay, so we will see the another question today only. Till that, you just see and this question and try to understood.